Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into the SUPALAND flip key fob replacement for Ford Fusion 2013 to 2016. If you've been searching for a reliable replacement for your worn-out key fob, this might just be the solution you need. Let's break it down. First off, let's talk quality. SUPALAND ensures that each keyless entry remote is thoroughly tested by professional locksmith tools before it even leaves the warehouse. That means you're getting a product that's been vetted for performance and reliability. Plus, they pre-installed the battery and electronics, so it's ready to go right out of the box. Compatibility is key when it comes to replacement key fobs, and this one hits the mark. It's designed to work with Ford Fusion models from 2013 to 2016, matching FCC ID N5FA08TA. Just make sure to double-check the compatibility list to ensure it's a match for your vehicle. Now, let's talk programming. This is where things get a bit tricky. While some key fobs allow for self-programming, this one requires the expertise of a qualified locksmith or dealership. So, keep that in mind before making your purchase point. One thing to note is that this key fob is specifically for vehicles with regular keys, not push-start button systems. If your car has passive entry or a smart key system, this won't be the right fit for you. In terms of specs, it operates at a frequency of 315 MHz and is powered by a lithium 3V coin cell battery. With 4 buttons at your disposal, you'll have all the functionality you need to lock, unlock, and more. Overall, the SUPALAND flip key fob replacement for Ford Fusion offers a convenient and reliable solution for replacing your old or damaged key fob. Just remember, you'll need professional assistance for programming, and it's not compatible with push-start button vehicles. But if you're driving a compatible Fusion model, this could be the perfect fit for you. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.